Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Legacy family. Good morning, YouTube. I hope everyone had a good day yesterday after we got off the charts yesterday. Today's going to be a fantastic Wednesday here. I'm excited to trade this morning. Couple things we need to all go over before we get going here. For the people on YouTube, you're going to hear other voices other than my own. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a trading community helping new traders and seasoned traders actually make money in the markets. With that being said, stay safe in the markets, and I hope this session truly helps you today. All right, so let's see what we got going on here so far. Alrighty, so right now we're currently sitting right above that VWAP right there. We got pivot point, the 21 EMA. Let me take a step back here, look, see how we were moving last night. All right, so we got the close from yesterday at the 833 level 75. 833.75. We're only up here at 874 currently, so not too far off. Just over like 40 something points right there. So like 42 points. Or actually now just 40 points. So not too far off from that gap. That gap up for yesterday's close. Let's see what else we got here. So all-time highs is 25,027. So that's the all-time highs for the Nasdaq. Like I was saying yesterday, like I was nervous yesterday because when you get to all-time highs, good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir. When you get to
you.
when you get to all-time highs, the market has to come back down eventually. And as you can see, we've been coming down.
Listen, Duane, I got like a less complex issue because I got some money I need to put into the stock market at large, and it's like I'm trying to figure out if I'm not buying late.
Yeah. It's one of those things. It's probably easier said than done. When getting into the stock market stuff, you either have to sell at the top and buy on the dip. That's the best way to play it.
I just got some liquid right now.
Okay.
And I was gonna put in, so, but it's just like, it's good, man. We're having a good time.
Do you buy like the S&P or anything?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
I mean, it's just like, mutual funds, all that are great, but you buy that index, man, that would kill it. S&P 500 every time. That's like a good underlier.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's hard to justify, like, everything going high right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, but it's all good. I'm just excited to be here today.
Oh, you and me both. Went to the beach yesterday. Got some good relaxation.
I was waiting to see some videos about a chair, but no, I'm just kidding.
Well, yesterday it was funny. Like yesterday it was pretty cloudy for the most part.
Yeah.
So when we got there, I didn't even set the tent up because there was a nice like overcast, so the sun's not just beaming on you.
Yeah.
And then as soon as I pull the chairs right down to the water, the sun just comes right out and starts ripping us.
Oh yeah.
My girl loves it. She's trying to get a tan, but I don't need a tan. So I'm like, man, I should have put that tent up. But we just hung out on the beach for like an hour and some change. And then we went to a restaurant on the water and got lunch.
Did you, and you got like something? Yeah, that's great. Those are the times that really matter. You know what I mean? You're just enjoying your stuff. It's just you're enjoying enjoying your lady. I mean, it's just like I'm all about that.
You and me both. That's when the kids are in school. That's normally we try to get to the beach at least like once a week.
But we need to hash something out because you say you have the best woman in the world. and I say I have the best woman in the world. How are we gonna deal with that?
Well, that's actually a very simple thing that we could go over here. You have the best woman in the world for you, and I have
Oh,
the best woman in the world for me. You know what I'm saying?
see, I mean,
So that's how we fix that. You know what I'm saying? Like, so we both got the best woman for us. That's all it
okay,
is.
see, okay, I gotcha. See, I mean, thank you, Al. You always can explain things.
You know, trying here, trying. Um, Good news as well. I had a meeting with Tradeify yesterday. Talked to one of their head people over there. We are going to be getting our own affiliate code for the Legacy Wealth Society.
Oh, cool.
So excited about that.
Yeah, man, that's awesome. You know, this group has been something that's changed my life. As I said, I mean, it's even changed my lifestyle because I want to show up and I want to make sure that I'm in top form every day.
Yeah.
And so, and it just like, and there's very few things that will do that for somebody. But I realize for me, it's like I want to make all the difference I can in my life because to match the opportunity.
Yeah.
I'm not making light of it.
No,
You know what I mean?
one thing I realized as well for like this lifestyle that you end up getting into once you start trying to learn how to trade, it actually sprinkles into the rest of your life in other areas where you become better.
Oh yeah,
Even
no,
if you're struggling or working on trying to be better at trading, you'll see yourself better in other areas of your life because you found something where you're no longer wondering, I would say, of how are you going to provide for your family, because you found the how. Now we're just working on the nuts and bolts of it. You know what I'm
well,
saying?
like and like as you know, like
Morning,
about
G.
35. I'm
Morning,
like
morning.
morning. I'm a licensed personal trainer, so I mean, it's like if you get somebody in there and they have the fundamentals of working out, they might not be fully cut, but they have the answer. So sometimes it just takes time to repeat.
Yeah.
And, but I mean, it's just like around here, like if I have a project and it's like I'm gonna see that project like all the way through, take the extra time and close it out. So I've been very efficient about closing out like all the peripheral things, and not
Hmm.
because of having that discernment and just having that you know that will to see things done. You
Yeah.
know, because if you're looking at the chart for an hour, it's not doing anything, and you're holding your trigger finger, then that's kind of like the same thing. Like rather than push through or being impulsive, I'm just gonna have the discipline to get it done.
Yeah. No, I'm excited for you guys. I'm excited for all of us, to be honest with you, because this has been a very healthy and productive process for myself as well. Just trying to put this community together because it's made me sharper with my trading, you know, because I want to set a good example for you guys. So I'm not jumping in trades that back in the day I would be jumping in on. Um, that would be considered more risky, I would say. Um, so I'm
I just
thankful for you guys as well because at the end of the day, you guys keep me grounded, and the fact that you guys show up each and every day to learn this and be part of this community, it makes my day. You know, because trading, if you're doing it by yourself, it gets extremely lonely because you could talk to your girl, your wives, everything like that about trading, but they'll never truly understand it. So just being able to talk to people that are going through some of the same things that you're going through, that helps with your everyday process for your trading and just in life in general. So
and like another thing is just like it's nice to be about everybody's success, man. And this is like in the world, like everybody's like going after other people, all that stuff, or they're just aggressive and stuff. But like here, man, it's like it's an awesome group. Here we go.
yeah, market's open. Market is open. I gotta flip one of my Apex accounts today so I can request another 2K payout with them.
Awesome.
So if we get good momentum here, I'm gonna take in this time They're not denying my payout because I've been in no draw. I had one bad day, but I restarted my 8 days the day after. So they can't even tell me I did anything wrong. So
that's a you show them.
oh, they paying me. They're paying me. That's all I know.
Money, sucker.
All right, we're currently above that VWAP. We got that pivot point we just pushed through right there.
Okay.
All right, just tap that VWAP. Wow.
Look at that wick on that 2 minute.
Yep.
Coming back to the VWAP.
Yes, it is.
I'm waiting to see some solid momentum in either direction so I can flip this account quickly. Let's see what we get. Kind of want to go up, tap that pivot point. If we get rejected, that's always a good sign for a short.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. It's kind of like.
Order failed.
All right, there we go. Just flip that account right there. $65. Let me rotate and make sure that's enough for it to count for the day because of the commissions and fees.
Yeah,
it should be. It should be, but just want to double check here as it continues lower right there.
How low can you go?
All right, there we go. 61. You had to get at least $50 to be counted as a trading day for them. So okay, that's done. Let me rotate to one of my Tradeify accounts. 593. And now we're gonna just sit on our hands and wait.
I had to drive across town today so I could get my blood taken from a vampire.
We're coming down to that gap, Phil.
Oh, yeah.
That close from yesterday. Just hit it all the way through it. Wow.
Just keep going.
Look at the waterfall. Was not expecting that much of a waterfall right at open. It's only been 3 minutes.
Doctors are brutal with that stuff. It's like, why do you always want to have my blood?
Nothing's worse than having, not the doctor, but like one of the nurses or whatever, trying to take your blood that don't know what they're doing.
Oh yeah, no.
And they're just sticking you.
This lady was good, but like, I hadn't been to the doctor in a while, and I went back, and it's like, because I'm a little bit older than 35, and at first test they did, it was like when I was late 40s, man, they took so much blood, I was like, can you leave some for me?
Yeah.
But this one was just like a quick one. It was all right. But then they're like, you gotta fast. And I'm like, hey, not so fast. But anyway, I did fast. And then they're like, some people are like, don't brush your teeth. Don't do this. So I'm like supposed to walk around like a big monster out there. I'm like,
yeah. I'm actually getting ready because I've been doing the carnivore plus OMAD, eating one meal a day with it. But I'm actually getting ready to start doing OMAD, still carnivore, OMAD, and then every 9 days, I'm gonna do a 3-day water fast.
Yeah, that's good.
Well, yeah, I mean, if you're hitting that, you're in ketosis, so it's good. I'm gonna start calling you Aquaman.
Nah, but Dwayne, you know what I do too? I do that. I do intermittent fasting, so I don't eat till after like 12, 1 o'clock.
Okay.
And then
Yeah,
I'll stop eating like around like my last meal probably be like around 8.
Okay.
Then from 8 till 12 o'clock that next day, I won't.
that's awesome because I mean it's I mean I worked with people that did that. I did it at a point. You know what I mean?
No, that's
I,
what
I
I'm not gonna lie. That's what's keeping me. It's keeping me like lean. I'm not gonna lie. Like,
Yeah, no, it definitely will. I mean, because you're metabolizing. I mean, having that sleep time and having like a 16-hour break in it, like it's huge.
oh, just know though. Just know. Just get ready to use the bathroom in the morning though.
Oh, I'm not worried about that. I do the carnivore. So trust me, I'm already used to all that.
Oh man.
I was doing that for a long time. Just kind of switching it up. There's so many different things you could do.
Yep.
And I mean, and then you can also like if you don't want to be full carnivore, you can do like the Mediterranean diet, and that's like a lighter ketosis. But if you're maintaining and you're not trying to be full aggro, you look into that. There's some really good stuff.
Yeah.
Good morning, fellas.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Welcome to the stream, Mr. Moose.
Mr. Moose.
Just so you know, I've already. Go ahead.
No,
No.
go ahead, go.
No, I was letting you know I already flipped one of my accounts this morning, so going to be requesting a 2K payout on that one today.
I'm not gonna do anything later. Click.
No, I've only been flipping before the first 15 minutes. I've been waiting for the rest.
Hey, when you say flipping, right? Do you mean like make jump in a position, or what do you mean flipping? Like,
okay, so good question because you guys will have to flip eventually as well. So once you already have like the amount you need in your trading account, right? For your payout that you're going to be requesting, but you need more days, you just flip. So that means you're going to jump into a position and jump out just to get the trading day.
Okay.
So you're not looking for big profits or anything like that. You're just trying to hit the minimum that you have to get for it to count for the trading day.
Yeah,
so
you don't expose yourself to like losing anything.
Exactly. So with Tradeify, it's $150 is a trading day.
Gotcha. Okay.
And it's like a no news Monday. You're there till 3 o'clock. Come on, bitch.
I get you now.
Because once they approve this payout, then I'm gonna activate 2 other funded accounts. I already have waiting. I've already passed them, but I told myself I'm not gonna activate them if they deny my payout. So, which on this one they shouldn't because no rules were broken. So we'll take it. This market is coming down right now.
Get down on
it. Yes, it is.
Let's see if we build out a bear flag right here.
I've got my doodles.
Because we built, this was a bear flag right there. Came down. Let's see if we do another one.
I'm looking at my 1 and my 2 minute right now. And then a 5, of course, I could see.
And I know you weren't on the stream yet, Moose, but the Legacy Wealth Society is becoming an affiliate with Tradeify, just so you know. So I will be having a code for you guys that will give you the best discount that they got. And also, each month, I'll be able to give away free evals.
Nice. That's awesome. Thank you.
As long as you give some to yourself, because sometimes you're like, I'm not doing that, so do it.
No, I can't give them to myself, but I will be able to give them to the community.
All right.
He didn't say to us us, guys. He just said to the community. Let's not all get all excited just yet.
We are the community.
We're the four legs of the table here.
What are you talking about? We are the community.
Tell him, G. Tell him. Let him know.
Yeah,
Let him know.
Yeah, we all should tell him. We are the community.
We're
That's
the four
awesome.
legs of the table. Literally, you take one of us off and we're going to tilt.
All right. Man, listen, I'm following that rule, man. Boy, I got my finger on the trigger.
I'm not even looking at it. I'm over here.
My fingers are literally interlocked right now because I'm like, oh, shit.
It's so hard. It does get hard.
It is. It gets a little tricky. You're like,
We got 5 more minutes, gentlemen. 5 more minutes.
No.
Four now.
Geez, on it. He's got the atomic clock working.
I want a bullet. I want a bullish flag. I mean, a bullish candle. So, and then I can go.
Oh, that's another bear flag right there on that 1 minute. I see it printed. It printed. Let me look at my 2-minute chart here.
Thinking about it.
It's tempting, but we're right here at that close from yesterday.
Yep.
I'm like,
I'm just trying to make sure.
I put my hands under the desk. Like, I can't even access my mouse right now.
He's got a touchpad under there. Don't believe him.
That's funny.
This week, I'm going to be starting to run ads for the community. Get us some more members. And get this thing pushed out worldwide at this point. So, excited for that as well. Just waiting. 3 more minutes, gentlemen. You guys are doing great. Order filled.
Order filled.
Hey, I'm happy. Like, did that flip, so that's 2K right there. On my Tradeify accounts, I think I got to trade them technically. Let me actually check. Give me something to do here. So this one I need, that would be by like, I would say Friday on this like, funded. Only one more day on this one I need. So pretty much I have to put in on one of my Tradeify accounts $1,500 by Friday, so I can request, since they upped it to the $3,000 for, so get that one to $3,000, be able to request on Friday. Same with my other account. So we're getting there. Let's see if I could.
And you're also trying that one. You're gonna do that
The funding
ticks,
ticks.
right?
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh, that was like a.
We have no news today as well. No news today. So whenever things like that happen, I do not get excited for it.
Well, I
Just-
know. I was more shocked, but maybe it's just like put. If somebody's sitting there going, you know, just thinking it's gonna go up, and there goes your account.
Oh no.
It is not 9:45 yet, so my eyes are closed. I'm not even looking at the market right now.
Oh, he's dancing. Maybe look at the market instead.
I know I dance horribly, see, but it's not. I'm not trying to hurt your eyes right now. I apologize. In probably, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for the community. Because the desk I have, it's a standing desk, but I'm always sitting here for the trading at least. I have an extra desk. I'm gonna be giving it away probably in November.
What are the dimensions of the desk? Let me know.
I'll have to get those for you because don't have it right in front of me. Let me actually pull it up and I could.
It's 45 after now.
It is 45. 15-minute range has been completed. On that 2-minute, I see a bear flag. Want to see the momentum here? There's still no momentum. Let's see. All right, the dimensions are 60 by 30.
Oh, that's beautiful. Let me know. Keep me posted. Are you gonna sell it? What are you gonna do? Cause
Nope. It's going to be a free giveaway to the community come November. It's brand new in the box.
I need what do you call it? I'm looking for a bigger desk. I have like I think 37 or 38, and my screens are way too big over the desk.
Okay. Yeah, this desk is. I'll take a photo of it and put it in the community. It's a perfect. It's big. It's big. Like, and it's also deep. It's wide and deep. That's why I like it.
That's the issue I'm having. Like, I have my desk is smaller.
Yeah.
I got 2 big monitors. I don't have a lot of space.
Okay. Yeah, you'll have plenty of space on this desk. But that's if you win. Like, I gotta figure out how we're gonna do it, but it's gonna be a giveaway.
No, for sure. But just keep us posted, please.
Yep. It's a $500 desk given away for free to one of the community members here. So, hey, we'll take it. Waiting for this momentum here. I see the bear flag, but I want the momentum. Still in this 15-minute range as well. We have not broken out yet. Oh, just popped out of the 15-minute range right there. Not jumping just yet because we always go right back into it for that first break. Just like we just did right there. No rush, no rush. Trying to be patient. I'm trying to get 5K this week in payouts. Just locked in 2K from Apex. Trying to add $3,000 this week from Tradeify.
Maybe we can.
Let's go. How we looking?
Just close that one. 360 on that funded account for Tradeify. We'll take it. Let's rotate to the next one. All right, so we crossed through the overnight low as well. So let's see where we go to now. As it sits right now, first target I have is 785. 785 to the downside. Let's see what happens. Whenever we hit the lows, we normally pop up, and then we'll keep going down, hit new lows, pop up again to stair step us down here. Let's see if we build out a bear flag. All right, new lows again right there. $200 on that one.
I got 110 on that one.
I got 140.
Oh, listen.
We'll take it, gentlemen. Great job, everyone.
Give it up, baby.
I had a 210 as well. Let me see. Wait, did I? Was it 210 or 207?
This sounds like one of those like 90s rap song where they're just throwing out numbers. Yo.
You know, listen, to be honest, right? You know why I like coming on you guys? Because it like motivates everybody to be like, oh, I made this, oh, I made that. You know what I mean? It's not competition. It's just, it's more fun.
Yeah, it's more fun. And you can admit this as well. When you were learning trading on your own time moves, everything like that, did you feel like you were by yourself?
Yeah, it's boring.
Exactly.
It's boring.
Well, I mean, the times when I've gone on just to kind of watch the market, even though I'm not trading and I'm not having this camaraderie, it's a different scene.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Like my wife will be on her way home. I was like, I'm gonna look at the chart just to see him run a little bit, and it just kind of. But you know, as long as I got, you know, this crew here, man, it's awesome.
Thank you.
I mean, I'm just trying to because you know I'm kind of, you know, it's very rare, like in this world where you'll find like a group that's so like real without any BS.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you know, I'm an introvert, so I have a hard time speaking.
You know what I tell people? I'm for the moment.
Yes, you are, Bruce.
I'm just for the moment. Like
no, I got that. I mean, I realized that like immediately, man. You're the moose.
Yeah. I'm okay being in within the mix, but I like my alone time. I'm socially antisocial.
Socially anti-social.
Listen, not for nothing, but when I used to live with my son's mother, I would go to the living room, and she's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "I'm just hanging out. It's no lights on or nothing." She's like, "Why?" I just like being alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I like being alone.
My ex-wife, I was like that too. It's like I couldn't get away from her. Even when I divorced her, it's like the zombie attack.
Let's see how far we push up here. Got that big wick on that 5-minute candle right there.
Oh yeah.
And the 2-minute.
I'm hoping this 5-minute just closes bullish. At least my way, you know?
No, I see it, man. That'd be awesome.
Cause that'll like the little bounce back. Whoop.
Yep.
I see a potential bear flag forming, but we have to get the confirmation with the momentum to the downside here. Everything's closing. Well, the 1 minute and the 5-minute are closing at the same time here. So let's see what we get. We got that we got that 15-minute range above us as well, right around that 824 level. So let's see if we potentially pop up there, get rejected, to keep us going down here. But not sure.
Just chilling and running the channel. We're gonna build out this flag and then we're gonna go. Is everybody ready to go?
Oh, we're sitting, fingers on the trigger, ready.
Duane already pulled the trigger.
I was drawing a line. That's all that was.
My main thing is when I look at Duane, if I see his left hand go to the wall,
It's on.
then that's like he's like grabbing the frame of the house, riding this sucker down.
I'm trying to ground myself, especially I'll grab the wall while I'm in a bad trade. You know what I'm saying? Hold me in it. You know, like, please, no, please. One of those.
I'm telling you, like a year from now, you're gonna be like, why is it like the wall covering out worn out in that spot?
No, if that's the case, that means I'm taking way too many bad trades. 10 o'clock's approaching. We know how the market moves for those whole time frames. So if our move doesn't happen just quite yet, don't jump in. Looks like we're consolidating slightly in this area right now. So let's see what we get. Oh, actually, while we're still waiting here, waiting for the move to happen, let me jump back over here. That doesn't make any sense. Did I get the text yet? All right, just got another funding ticks account.
I'm excited because I want to know about that one as well. You know.
Yeah. So give us some time for that one to process, so I can trade on it today. Actually.
Oh, you said like if you buy one of those, sometimes it takes a little time, right?
Yeah. For everyone with iPhones, how do you like the new update?
I didn't do it.
No? Okay.
I like it, but it does waste battery though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chime in because I used to have to do tech and I worked at a retirement community. So every time I'm on the internet, I can't cuss, right? Every time those mother effers would do that, you'd have like 80-year-olds saying, "Where'd this go? Where'd that go?" And then it would and then it would brick their phone or their battery, and they're like, "Why is it?" And it's just like, look, man. And then their yuppie kids would be like, "I'm gonna get Gramps a new It's like, I'm gonna take the iPhone and I'm gonna make it a U phone, sucker."
A U phone.
Yeah, the update it does. You do feel that the battery is wasted more,
Okay.
and it's cool features, but it's nothing special. To be honest, nothing like, wow, this was great. Like they put a great feature.
Yeah, I like the look of it. I do like the look of it.
That's the only thing I like.
The only thing I don't like is they'll go through like every menu and then shuffle things out. Like, okay, if you're coming out with new stuff, that's great, but you don't have to like, like they're putting accessibility issues in, and these people are hitting buttons, and it's just like I'd go like 4 menus deep, and then learn about the thing I didn't even own. But
Just so you guys know, with funding ticks, I did just purchase one, and it's now active to trade. So
I have a funding ticks too.
no, just letting you guys know the times. Like before, it took longer, where that one was probably the fastest yet for it to populate on Ninja.
So, G, have you traded your funding ticks yet?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I already made so far. I made $90 already so far on it.
So, like, and this is a dumb question, but what's the group? So you'll shield me, right? Like, there's no difference. Like when it's just another account on your list. Like, there's no latency or anything like that, right?
No.
Cool.
180 on that trade.
On that one. I got 145 right now.
Nice. That trade for me, I just did 180. So we'll take it.
We like it.
I'm debating, do I call it on trading my fundeds for the day?
I made 140 on my funded, so I think I may just call it a day on that one.
I'm thinking about just rotating off. You know what I'm saying? Like,
what I do. Sorry guys to cut you off.
You're good.
I always when I go about my day, like for barbering especially, obviously, right? Because it's my only income, right? I say how much does it take me to run my house, and I break it down. Daily, it takes me X. After that, I'm happy. I'm saying, like,
yeah, that's cool.
Yeah,
so it's always good to have like an individual strategy and a goal, because otherwise it's just like, okay.
Hey, I'm glad I got off that account when I did.
I was thinking the same thing right now. Like, they got it close.
Alrighty, well.
That's like a lot of pressure that just released.
So I'm done trading the funded. It's 10 o'clock. Today was a rollover on one account. Put money in my Tradeify funded accounts. I'm not trying to push those. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it takes me an extra day or two to get those to the 3K,
yeah,
I'm fine with that, because it's going to be a $3,000 payout. So,
hey guys, listen. I got an appointment at 11, my first one. So I gotta get going now.
All right, man. Have a good day.
Yeah,
guys, it was great. All right, guys, stay safe.
You too, man.
Oh, Duane, 9:30 Saturday.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool.
Don't be
Duane,
late.
stop being late.
I'll try not being late this time.
Late to your house. What are you doing, Duane?
I know it's the doorknob. It's too heavy. Big house. Bye, guys.
Later.
All right, let's see. We're back in this 15-minute range. We almost tapped the 21 EMA. We did not tap it, though.
Everything's lavender.
Let's see what we get. All right, back below the 15-minute range now. We tapped at 21 and came right down. On that 5-minute, that's looking like a big old bear flag on that 5.
Oh my gosh, yes it is.
That's looking like a textbook one too.
Getting ready.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna do its little consolidating right now, and then boom, another drop.
Boom.
Well, let's see, because that's a textbook flag right there.
I'd say it's about a good 795s, low 790s.
Well, now it got me intrigued and ready. There's some momentum building. Want to see if the momentum gets heavy here. If it does, I'm going to take it.
Whoa, man, that's heavy, man.
Let's do some, looks like some consolidation right here on those Rincos.
Are you waiting to see if it'll clear the candle previous, kind of?
I want to just see some good follow through right now. That's all I'm looking for. I want to see some follow through. Still waiting. Have not taken the trade yet. We're consolidating right here. I want to see follow through. Without the follow through, there's no trade.
That's right. Truer words were never spoken, bad man.
All right, right back into that low of the 15-minute range right there.
Yeah, just toying with it. That 2-minute candle is kind of interesting. I have a doodle that I haven't moved in a while, and it's touching it.
Okay.
You can imagine that. Use your imagination.
I want to see some follow through. Well, I want to take a trade here. Like,
yeah, but you've learned from my mentor, because he says you might want to take a trade,
but you don't, right?
Wait, you don't try to fight the market. You go with
nope.
the market.
Yeah, we don't fight waves. We go with it.
Like when you were on your surfboard yesterday.
No surfboard yesterday.
Yo, listen. Oh, listen. What that market did yesterday, oh, I wish you guys were there. Oh, wow.
I wish I was too.
Did you see that dip?
I saw it last night, and I laughed.
I wanted to call you, Duane. I was like, oh my goodness. Duane was trading right now. Duane, you would have made it easy, probably $3-4 grand. Easy.
I saw it and I laughed because I'm like, it always happens like when no one's actually trading. Because it's like after lunchtime. So I was just laughing. I'm like, oh, okay. Let's see if we get some follow through here.
on down, man. You know you want to go, damn.
It wants to.
You
I've been
know.
thinking about it.
Let's waterfall. Let's just waterfall all the way down. I closed it. I couldn't hold. I was getting ready to hold the wall. There, but I chose not to. I just closed it. I just closed it.
When I see your full shoulders flex through your sleeve, that's when I know that it's on. Yeah, I was reading about the history of Dow Jones. You know, like how, like and just like how he like the charting and stuff, just a little bit, and that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Go lower. No, you want to go lower.
It wants to, but we're chopping in this area right here. So, patiently waiting for the full follow through.
Yeah, zone like right at 11 or 12. Drew a line like straight across. For like since 10 o'clock, it's bottoming at the same place. EMA, the 1 minute.
It goes right to it and then touches it. Goes right back up. Like consolidated.
If we break through this low, this 15-minute range, we may be the way we haven't pushed through down here. I kind of feel like we may start pushing up.
Yeah, because like literally, I have like a line from 10 o'clock. Actually, it's previous to that, and it just like every candle, like the low point is stopping right there.
Yeah.
Support. Well, if we need to go up, that's fine. We're just not going to diddle in the middle.
We're not diddling in the middle. Just add some more on that one. Let's see what we got here.
Let's do it.
Let's do. Let's try this one.
Support on that EMA. Where are we going now, fearless leader?
Right now, looking at my 2-minute chart, still below that 21 EMA, right below that close from yesterday 833 level.
My EMA at the 2-minute is 826, so we're a little bit above it on mine.
Okay.
And in my, since we're talking shop, the VWAP is 846 on the 2-minute.
Okay. Yeah, mine's right there at 847 for the VWAP.
Oh, 846.99. And then and our pivot point is 24,880.
Yeah, I got the 24,880 for that pivot there.
You guys think it's working its way back up?
For me, the fact that we didn't keep going lower.
Yeah.
Well, I think we hit the low for this session currently, and we may start going up now. But let's see if we get above that VWAP, because if we get above the VWAP, then we're definitely going to be trending up.
Just give it a second.
No, so that account's still active. I didn't know that. Let me jump on that one real quick for funding ticks.
He's got so many accounts he doesn't even know.
Well, I thought I blew this funding ticks account, but I guess I didn't. Not the one I just got today. It's one from previously. So we'll see. All right, so hanging out around this 21 EMA on my 2-minute chart here, in the close from yesterday as well. So let's just see what happens. We got all this stuff in the small area, so patiently waiting, not taking a trade yet.
Okay, so since we were not taking a trade, what did you get at that restaurant?
I ordered their burger, their River Deck burger. Pretty decent.
Is it that Treehouse one or that's something else? Like
No, the place I went to, I'll pull it up.
So you basically ordered a burger and just ate what you could out of it.
Yeah, so I got the burger, just ate the patty and the bacon, all that good stuff. And then I also ordered some wings as well.
Oh, nice.
Honestly, the food wasn't all that, to be real, but the view was perfect.
Well, some of those places are like that. You got a captive audience. You got people that are like at the beach.
So the place we went to was the River Deck Tiki Bar and Restaurant.
Okay. Did it have like a cool tiki deck or a tiki bar feel, like with a weird spaces and stuff?
We honestly didn't even go all the way up into the restaurant. We ate outside on the patio,
Oh, okay, gotcha.
so we could have like the view, everything like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Where's my OBS? So I could share this.
We got a little bit of a pushback down.
So the place. This is the place we went to yesterday.
Oh, cool.
And this is the patio we ate on yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Right on the water. We sat literally right at this table where my mouse is. There was a second floor, everything like that. We just didn't go check it out.
Yeah, no, I totally understand.
We were there for the food. And that's actually the burger I got right there.
Oh, nice.
But I took everything off, the onion rings, everything like that, and just ate the meat.
The life of a carnivore.
Yes, sir. The life of a carnivore, indeed. Are we going to start going down now? Like, I see that bear flag on that 5 minute right there. Don't know if you guys see that.
I see it.
Had a flag on this 1 minute. We know I like the flags on the higher time frames. Are we going to waterfall here?
Waterfall. You know, Jimi Hendrix did a song about waterfall too.
I only have like $100 of drawdown on this account. This is one. So that's why I'm waiting. I'm like, I need a waterfall so I can just get it with the momentum. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
To save this account. If I can't save it, I can't save it. And that just reminded me I had to trade some other Tradeify accounts today, actually.
Save yourselves.
Right back to that 15-minute range. Once again, coming up to that 10:30 time frame. Let's see what we get.
Let's make the magic happen.
No big momentum right now. And we're momentum traders, so we're not going to take anything without momentum.
That's right, except when we do. But that's another story.
Well, I've been trying to be better and only
No,
taking it with momentum.
If anybody writes a book or publishes a thing or says they have a system that's foolproof, then they're lying, because there's so much of it is what's between your ears.
Yep.
And you know, the legacy wealth system is incredible for mediating that. Now, you know, sometimes you'll see something do a scalp, that's fine, but you know, when we're trading in the system, we're trading in the system. That's where we're getting the results.
Well, we had momentum there for a second.
And then it decided to go away.
Started to go up.
Oh well. Couldn't get that one.
May go back down. You never know. Still in it, right?
Well, let me jump over to. I got
He's got 15 cents to draw down left.
Like it goes
15.
back down again.
Pretty much. Let's stratify. What's that number? 923.
So have you ever had that where you're like at the absolute drawdown and you turn it around and then turn it into a funded?
Actually, yes. So on one of my Tradify growth accounts, I had like $200 left to draw down on it. And I was just like, you know what? I'm passing this account. And sure enough, I was able to bring it back from drawdown, pass it, and I took on that account like 4 payouts.
Nice.
And then I blew it. So
Yeah, but those things happen, you know what I mean?
it's the nature of trading with like prop firms. You're going to blow the accounts eventually.
Well, the thing is, you know, I mean, it makes it so much, you know, there's a little bit of a hassle there, but what tells me that it's worthwhile is somebody of your stature, you know what I mean, with your record actually still trading that way.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, it's like, you know, a vast majority of the time, you clear with your own money, but it just, you don't have to. So, I mean, you know, if it was too much of a pain, you just say, you know what, I'm going to self-fund it.
Mm-hmm.
But the fact that you're still using it, with the success you're having, you know, it's like, why? It's like, you know, it's like the difference between paying on a credit card or paying with a debit card.
Yeah.
If somebody steals your credit card, it's a pain in the butt, but they're not attacking your bank account.
Yep. Like, why risk your own money? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, that's what, with trading, since you're already taking a risk just trading in general, why risk your own money?
Yeah, because you could have 200 good days and you have like a bad day, and you're like, you remember that $50,000 that I had?
Yeah. I'd rather that happen in one of these funded accounts than in a live self-funded account.
Yeah.
Because, you know, with funded account, with the prop firm, you know, you pay your $100, whatever, and you could get another funded account. You know what I'm saying? Like, unlike you losing 10 grand, 15 grand from your account, and then you're like, I don't know how I'm paying my bills this month. You know?
Well, no, I mean, and that's kind of like, you know, when I kind of figured that out, like the first time I failed an account, I was like catatonic for a second, but then I realized, like, you know what? It's all right.
Mm-hmm.
Now my nickname is called Johnny Victorious. I haven't told anybody yet. And it's actually not my nickname either, but you know, but it's like I'm doing better now. And a lot of it is because I'm here with you gentlemen. There's like a quiet guy somewhere on here. That's like trading and kicking butt, but then Duane too.
Well, we're all here to see each other win. That's it.
That's it. G's making money, or like when he like saw Musa one time. I'm Big G.
I'm Big G. Let's see if we build a maybe bear flag here on this 2-minute.
At the barber shop, I'm known as Big Steve. You know what I'm saying?
So, Boost be cutting your hair, Duane?
Yeah, he comes and gives me the fresh baldy each week.
Okay.
comes to the house. He's a mobile barber, so it comes to the house. He has a trailer, all enclosed trailer, all hooked up. You know,
Oh, so you just go out to the trailer. It's got like the AC going and all that stuff.
Yep, AC, the lights. He's getting ready to put a TV in there too, actually.
Listen, you're gonna
That's what
talk.
barbers are starting to do now. They're getting their own little trailer and just start pulling up the people and stuff.
It's the best way to do it, because why pay rent to an actual physical location?
Yeah, or rent a chair. Yeah.
You know, that's what most barbers are doing. They're paying like $500-600 to rent a chair for the month. Where you can literally take that $600, save it for a year, buy a trailer, hook it up. Now you're no longer paying to cut hair.
That's it. And then you also have the convenience factor of saying, and then, you know, somebody says they need to be lined up, and it's just like, you know, it's just like, boom.
I wish I took that momentum right there.
So it's going to clear the wick on the 5 minute.
Well, I'm in it. I'm all for the waterfall right now, gentlemen. All for the waterfall.
Come down, bitch.
Come on, miss. Come on.
You can do it. You can do it.
You can do it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, give me that drop. Give me that drop. Oh, yeah.
Come on, get that whole number at least.
Oh, yeah. I'll take that. 280.
820.
285.
Hey, we all got it. We all got it.
Yeah, we got it.
Feel like that low's probably going to try getting touched again. Let's see if we build out another flag here.
It'd be nice to get like a, you know, it doesn't have to be like a 20-minute banner flag. It could just be like a couple of candles and then we go down again.
We're going to go back up. We're going to retreat back up.
825 will be the next one.
I know it's going to retreat back up.
Well, that bear flag I drew definitely paid right there.
We're paying, we're playing.
Let's see if we get another flag here.
Them bulls, the Bears, boy, they are fighting.
It's a battle, man. Every day it's a battle.
The battle is real. That's quote that Duane Broom second quote. The battle is real.
I low-key want to try passing this eval today. Let's see what we get. Bull stepping in right there pretty hard.
It's like 21 EMA time.
Which I called it. I said it's going to go back up.
You did.
Big momentum going down.
Are we gonna go back up, touch that low of that 15-minute range here?
Looking like it's thinking about it. You know, it's like even when it's had the momentum, it just doesn't want to leave this area.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, like you said, like the Bears are fighting it down to that level, and it's like, nope. So,
All right, tapping that 15-minute range right there. Patiently waiting now.
wait.
No flags forming yet, right?
No flags yet.
Should be making its way back down again. Barely. Going down. It's going down.
Going down.
Just grabbed another 140 right there.
What is your gut telling you, Dr. Duane?
Honestly, we rejected off that low of that 15-minute range. I feel like we gotta go down and touch that 783 level.
Yeah, I feel like, you know, like I think you're right, because it just kind of like, it's like bouncing in a channel, but it's got the 15-minute range and then that 73, so, or 784 on mine. So it's kind of just doing its thing. It's got to do something.
Yep.
Come on, Betsy.
Oh, you coming down now? Come on now. Come on. You know you want to. You know you want to.
It only listens to you, G.
You know you want to. Keep going.
Just not seeing like it's hitting, but it's like the momentum. We want heavy.
Yeah, we want heavy. And we're not getting the heaviness right now.
Wait.
We're waiting until G says something. G, do you want to tell it to go
heavy? Keep going. Keep going. No, don't go up.
Don't go up.
That sounds like every new trader. Please, market go down. Please, no, please. It's awesome.
There was like something you said, it was a couple months ago. And it was like you said there was a period of time where every trade you did, it seemed like the market would do the opposite.
Yeah.
And I went through that phase when there was like 1 week where it was like I was sure it was going to be bullish, and then like the bears would just take it to the level, and then I would set up for another trade, and it was just like it was like I was opposite day. But it was more than that. But I feel like I'm getting a better taking a breath,
Yeah.
using the system, looking at the wrinkle bars, the heartbeat. But I have a secret weapon because I'm a Legacy Wealth Society.
Oh, so
That you are?
that low 800, that low 800 level.
Yeah, that whole number though. That whole number at 800.
Right. I remember you said, well, let's he wants to keep going there.
We know how the market moves around those whole numbers.
Moving and growing.
Right here at this 802. All right, just broke that 800 level. Let's see if we build some speed here to the downside. Don't like being super close to that 800. Bear flag on that 5 minute as well. So right back into the 800s.
You wanna know what it does, Beth? Testing it.
Patiently waiting, everyone.
Waiting, anticipating.
I'll probably get off at 11 today. Gotta handle some stuff today.
I'm like really excited. When are you gonna tell us the? I mean, you're not gonna give it to the YouTube, but when are we gonna hear about the details from the Tradeify stuff?
Well, the YouTube will be able to use that code as well.
Okay, well, I wasn't trying to get anybody out of it.
No, you're good. So
Listen,
actually,
YouTube people, I'm sorry.
let me actually go check my email. See if Buddy emailed me back. Nope, hasn't gotten back to me yet. I'll let you know when the code is actually active for us, but the code's either going to be LWS for Legacy Wealth Society or just Legacy. So I was thinking LWS since it's short, it's sweet, and quick. 3 letters.
Yeah, because you need to snap it quick.
And it's the initials for the Legacy Wealth Society, so we'll take it.
Well, I'm sharp like that. I figured it out. Like, you have 3 initials for your security company, but I don't want to give everything away at once. So, I mean, I see a theme there.
Yep. And what I will do as well, because I am expecting to get a code from Take Profit and Apex as well eventually, and I'll just have a certain section in the community with all the codes, so you guys always could just go copy, paste. But for the most part, it should be LWS or just Legacy. Why, thank you, Millionaire. I appreciate that. You rule as well, aka Steve.
He's got a premonition.
Come on, Market, give us something good. We've literally been this channel.
I mean, just looking, it's like that EMA is kind of possibly going to build out some support. Maybe we'll start heading north.
We gotta get through it because right now on mine, on the 2 minute, we haven't tapped it yet. It's right above us.
Well,
So I want to see how we react from tapping it to see if we
it's
start going down.
Yeah, it's 8:16:25 on mine, so that's weird.
Yeah, my 21 on my trading view, mind you, it's on trading view 8:21.
I'm gonna mark it right there because it'll keep me from getting squinchy.
All right, getting ready to tap it. All right, just tapped it. Let's see if we have enough momentum to push through it. Tapping that low, that 15-minute range right there as well. So, question for the community, right? Since I value your opinions, because you guys have been with me from the inception of the community here. Do you feel, I was looking at charging for people to join the community $99 a month. Do you feel like that's too high?
No, I mean, that's like a good price point to kind of get in. I mean, I honestly have no idea, and it's like what, not that it's equivalent to this, but like a price point. But I think that's a reasonable thing because you're getting access to resources and training, and you're gonna have the support.
Yes,
so.
listen, and you come in with you have the discounts as well too. So like, hey, you know what you could do too. Set up like little challenges within the community, and like, whoever makes such and such amount of trades and stuff, they could like get some discounts to if they're trying to get more.
Yeah.
Some more accounts and stuff,
Just asking because I'm getting ready to push the Legacy Wealth Society to the masses because I'm gonna be paying for ads on Facebook.
Oh yeah, I mean, we're going into that mode. That makes sense, and I definitely, I mean, that's like a good round number because you obviously the psychology of it's like gasoline. If it's $1.50 a gallon, but it was $1.49 a gallon, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's a good price point, I think.
Okay. I guess I just want to make sure I'm adding enough value, I would say, to the community to charge that. That's my biggest thing. I want to make sure I'm adding enough value for people.
Just make sure the big G always gets his 15%. Doodle on the noodle. Come on.
Broke into that 15-minute range and sold right back down. Right back into that 15-minute range there.
Yeah, it's just in that pocket, man. It's chilling.
Look like it wants to go up, man. Tap that. Go back to that previous to 839, right?
Yeah, that's what it's looking like to me.
We have 833 for the close right above us. The close from Friday, not Friday, from yesterday. I'm already thinking about last week. That's crazy. And then we had the VWAP up there at 841 area. Let's see if we start pushing.
We'll do a little retrace. It's gonna have to come down a little bit. Go back up.
Back below that 15-minute range. Seller stepped in. Literally, we're just in this channel right now.
Yeah, I mean, like you can, like I got in a pretty good hit in the channel, but you can't go long because it's just gonna there's the momentum. Come on, can we see a waterfall for Duane? He's been real good today.
We got that bear flag printing on the 5-minute, a big bear flag.
Big bear flag.
Going down. Damn. Missed it.
It'll happen again, baby.
It normally does. It normally does. Let's see if we're finally going to clear these wicks. We got to get through this 796 and 793. I want us to clear that 793 level.
That's I drew a while ago.